Have you heard of the new Facebook Reels bonus program? Facebook is actually paying creators cold hard cash up to $35,000 a month just for posting Reels to the platform. In this video, I am sharing all the details about the Facebook Reels bonuses. The program is invite only, so I'm going to share how to snag an invite and share my results from my first 30 days of posting Reels on Facebook as a paid creator, so you know what to expect. My name is Jordan Maylea, co-founder of the Global Freedom Community alongside my mom and business partner, Kathy Schneider. Together, we help female entrepreneurs create laptop lifestyle using profitable habits and evergreen marketing strategies so you can create consistent revenue without stress and overwhelm. If you're new here, be sure and hit that subscribe button. We put out great new videos just like this on this channel every single week, and I don't want you to miss the next free training we release. I had heard rumors of the Facebook Reels bonus program, but honestly hadn't given it much thought until I logged into my app one day and got a notification inviting me to transition my personal Facebook profile to a professional account. More on that in just a minute. If you've been using Instagram or TikTok, then you already are familiar with this concept. Users have the option to set up and post from either a personal account or a professional account. The benefits of professional accounts is added features, including insights and analytics, and the ability to boost posts with ads, and on Instagram, the ability to sync your account with platforms like Planoly or Later to auto-post to your account. Up until recently, Facebook kept their personal and professional platforms very separate. Everyone had a personal Facebook profile, and if you wanted an account for your business, you had to create a Facebook business page. The problem with this is Facebook business pages are very much pay to play. Unless you are consistently running ads, don't expect much traction from your posts on a business page. And don't expect it to grow much, if at all. For this reason, many entrepreneurs were using their personal Facebook profiles to do business. Using their profile to share their products and services, join groups where they could connect with people who had shared interests, and grow their account by sending friend requests to ideal clients and customers. This was a hassle, but it worked. If you consistently network in groups and send friend requests to those you connect with, you can build a thriving, highly profitable audience using your personal Facebook profile. But this all changed with Reels. Here's the quick rundown. Short vertical video became a global sensation with the introduction of TikTok. And because Mark Zuckerberg loves a good copycat strategy, Instagram was very quick to implement their own version of short video, which we now know as Instagram Reels. After proving the success of this feature on Instagram, they then rolled Reels out on Facebook. And this was a huge deal because for the first time ever, you could start creating short video on your personal profile and use it to potentially reach tens of thousands of ideal clients and customers who didn't know you existed. One of our team members recently did this and sold over $160,000 of product in 1 month, exclusively from Facebook Reels. Sales were coming in automatically, 99.9% of which came from people she had never met or even spoken to. So if you want to see my thoughts on Facebook Reels and how to create a profitable strategy using Reels for Facebook, check out this video. All right, so let's get back to that notification I found. When I opened up the invite to set up a professional account, I learned that my account would get discovered by potential followers more quickly, and I would now start getting insights on all of my Facebook posts, just like I do on my professional Instagram account. This is a big deal because it allows you to track your reach and track your engagement on every piece of content, tracking what performs best so you can create more of the stuff that your audience wants to see and not waste your time on the rest. Then I saw the biggest benefit: get paid for creating Reels. I was able to set up my professional account in just a few minutes. It asked for my bank account and social security number so Facebook would be able to direct deposit my earnings and report any income for tax purposes. This is required because if you live in the United States and you earn more than $600 from a company in a calendar year, they are required to send you a 1099 form at tax time. We are required to provide our social security number for any affiliates that we want to do business with so that they can keep everything nice and legal. Once I was all set up, it was time to start posting. Full disclosure, at the time of this recording, creating Reels inside the Facebook platform is very glitchy. There's not a big selection of music or sound options. The features are a little wonky. It's really just not that great. So I decided to download each of my Instagram Reels with sound, save them to my phone, and post them on Facebook as a new Reel. If you want to see a step-by-step tutorial on how to do this, check out this video. All right, so that's the rundown on the professional account and the bonus program. So now let's talk about how to snag an invite and how much you get paid per view and my own personal results from the first 30 days. So I have been building a business on Facebook since 2016. I have a pretty decent sized friends list, good engagement, and a really long history of operating inside of Facebook's policies and procedures. I also started using Reels as soon as they came available on the platform, even before you could set up a professional account and get paid. When I got notified to set up a professional account, the notification said that my Reels were gaining traction and I could set up a professional account if I wanted to get paid. While Facebook doesn't disclose the exact criteria for setting up a professional account, the wording of that notification leads me to believe that when you are consistently posting and engaging on the platform, and you're already using Reels on the platform, your invite will come sooner rather than later. Also note, my Reels were all posted natively inside the Facebook app. They did not have a TikTok or Instagram watermark. Facebook has made it very clear that reposting a video with the TikTok or Instagram logo on Facebook is a violation of their terms and conditions. So make sure you use the strategy I shared in the video I mentioned a couple minutes ago to save your Reels from Instagram without the watermark so you can stay compliant. Something else, keep an eye on your notifications. I can't tell you how many people I have talked to who later found out that they missed their invite simply because they were in a hurry or not staying on top of their notifications. You don't get an email or some big special announcement when Facebook invites you to set up a professional account. It is simply a notification mixed in with all the other notifications that you get, just like when someone likes a photo or comments on a post or invites you to a group or whatever. Okay, by now you're probably wondering, once I get this set up, how much am I actually going to get paid? In my first 30 days, I posted 18 Reels and collected 12,000 views. Facebook says you can earn up to $35,000 a month through their bonus program. For the first 10,000 views, I was paid $14 for every 1,000 views that came in. After that, it was $2 for every 1,000 views. Now, I don't know how this changes if you get to 100,000 views or more, but these are the numbers from my own personal results in my first 30 days. My first payout from Facebook was $144. Not quite $35,000, but still a nice little income stream for work that I was already doing anyway. I look at the Facebook Reels bonus program similar to an affiliate program. By promoting my content on their platform, I get paid. This is content I would be creating anyway, so why not tap in and take advantage of it? I expect my views to consistently grow month over month as my follower account grows and as my Facebook Reels and the algorithm within Facebook Reels becomes more sophisticated. I'm going to do another video with payout updates after 90 days of testing. My goal for the next 30 days is to post 30 Reels and also double down with posting and engaging more with others on the platform to see if this has an effect on my overall reach. I know on Instagram it definitely does, so I will be sure to report back and let you know what I discover. The moral of the story is Facebook Reels should not be the only income stream you have in your business. But if you're already working to grow a business online, why not tap into this bonus program while it's available? And if by posting consistently, you end up having 1 or 2 videos that do go viral, you could end up with a very nice little bonus just for posting what you planned to post anyway. That's what I call a win-win. A big part of how my mom and I have been able to build our 7-figure brand in just a few years is because we like to tap into a lot of different income streams. While an extra $200 or $300 a month doesn't sound like much, if you have 3 to 5 income streams that each generate that amount of cash, it ends up being pretty substantial. We earn an income through our network marketing business on our own coaching programs and digital courses and through affiliate programs like Facebook Reels and several others. If you want to deep dive into our entire profit system and see exactly how we've been able to grow our audience, capture leads, and convert sales in our various income streams, especially when we were very first getting started and had no audience or influence, then I invite you to check out our Repeatable Revenue Masterclass. Inside, we share our complete 5-phase profit system, showing you exactly what it takes to attract your ideal audience, capture leads, and convert sales consistently on social media. You can watch it now at globalfreedomcommunity.com/free training, and I'll link it below for you as well. All right, that's all I got for today. If you want to learn more about Facebook and Instagram Reels, including how to create them and how to create a strategy and how to repurpose your Instagram Reels to Facebook or TikTok without the watermark, check out this playlist. Just don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you go so you'll be notified the next time we release a new video on this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.